This video demonstrates the process for replacing a drum cartridge for the Xerox PrimeLink C9265, C9275, and C9281 products. Open the front cover. To remove the waste toner transport assembly, slide the lever to the left. Pinch the tabs on both sides and remove the assembly. Unlock the latch for the drum cartridge you want to remove, then loosen the knob. Pinch the tab, then pull the drum cartridge out of the printer. Recycle the used drum cartridge.
Unbox the new drum cartridge. Remove the packing material from the ends of the bagged drum cartridge. Remove the drum cartridge from the bag.
Remove the packaging material from the new drum cartridge, except for the strip at the bottom of the cartridge. You remove the strip after installing the cartridge. Do not expose the drum cartridge to light for more than 1 minute, or touch the imaging drum surface. Position the new drum cartridge, then slide it into the printer. Tighten the knob, then lock the latch. Now, grasp the packaging strip and pull it out of the printer. Insert the waste toner transport assembly. Move the lever to lock position. Close the front cover.